Hi, I am Noor. I'm an architect and illustrator, and in this video I'm going to talk about foreshortening. In case you don't know, foreshortening is when something looks smaller, bigger, or deformed due to the viewer's perspective. This is a topic that most of my students struggle with because no matter what you try, your art may always look flat. This topic isn't really easy. It's not going to work out overnight. This is something that needs a lot of practice, as for everything. Let's start with some ellipses and cylinders. Just a quick reminder of the 3 steps of a drawing. 1. Establishing the foundation of the drawing. 2. Sketching the outlines of the big elements. Lastly, details and shadings. So first, let's start with simple shapes like this. Check if the lines meet up at the vanishing point so you can tell if your drawing makes logical sense. Just watch out for vanishing points in your real life, because once you are aware of them, you basically notice them everywhere. Here I am using 3-point perspective as I am looking at the building from the sky. I really like that dramatic angle. If you want, you can push your foreshortening a bit further. When I look at this picture, if I want to simplify this complex building, I need to divide this into smaller geometrical shape like this. If I want to give the dramatic angle I gave before, I need to do the exact same thing, but by increasing the foreshortening. Notice that the circle at the end is smaller than the one facing us. If my building was taller than this one, this would probably look like this. So I'm just drawing the basic shapes, trying to divide every part of the building into really basic shapes, while keeping the perspective in mind to make a drawing that is accurate. So here is the outline of the drawing. Now I want to continue the drawing on my iPad and upload it on Procreate. I used the outline sketches I made before, and I am fixing the perspective problems I made in some places. I'm adding details, more details, windows details, and roof details. And finally, the shadings. This is a really important step, by the way, if you want to give this sense of depth in your drawings. Never forget shading. That's all for this video. Let me know in the comment what do you think of this one. Let me know if there's any topic you are interested about. So in the meantime, if you want to know more about perspective, you can check out these videos.